What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Redmi cell phone that keeps crashing. So to fix this issue, if you have opened too many apps in the background, and now you want to fix the crashing issue, then tap on this reset key and close all the apps running in the background, and after that the crashing issue will be fixed. But after doing this, if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then drag this white circle downward, and when the circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the crashing issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then you might have too many app updates available. So to check that, open Play Store, tap on your profile icon, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now here, tap on Updates Available option. And if you have a lot of apps available to update, then you might face the crashing issue. So tap on Update All to update all the apps in your phone. And after updating all the apps, the crashing issue will be fixed. But somehow, after all these solutions, if you're still facing the crashing issue, then the last solution is check for the software update. So to check that, open Settings, tap on About Phone, and here tap on the software version, and from here it will automatically check for the available updates. So if you have any pending software update, then update your phone to the latest version to fix the crashing issue. So that's how you can fix the crashing issue on your Redmi cell phones. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.